MLA kanong thamai uba Charles Pingrup menta kasngi ula ong babaro ki surok hanong thamai ki sniulut lai no tang kasurok banet Chayeng jong usimbut menteri rangba kajala ba Chayeng jong u MLA kanong thamai menta kasngi hayeng dorbar ula ong bawatla ki don bun ki MLA ki badon yeng hanong thamai Henry ki surok ki long ki basniu bah uba Charles ula ong ki simbut menteri rangba uba Presiden Song uba snya bahlang dahar uba AL Hek uba coming one ombon MLA kamairang uba Ahmed Balindo baru MLA Umar Thon Sangma Gidon Yeng Hanong Thamai Henry Kabas Ngosi Kalong Baki Surok Ki Baha Tangka Linti Banet Chayeng Usimbut Menteri Rangba Barsha Kayeng Jong Usimbut Menteri Rangba Kajala Uba Presiden Song Haba Jubab Halor Kani Ulaong Bakermen Bahaka Samoy Banwan Baro Henry Pongut Ki MLA Kinsa Hanong Thamai Haka Jukapor Ulaong Balabatha Ya Katanat PWD Bakan Net Shim Jingken Ya Kajingnut Jingsep Nakabenda Banshna Penbha Yaki Surok Hasor Shilong Ulaong ba ula batha ya katanat PWD bakan net lum jingken ya ka jinglut jingsep na kabenta ban shnapen bhai ki surok asor shilong bat ndala yo ka jingken ensale ya ka badan kam.
So as I look across the aisle in the Treasury bench, I must want to say a few things which will eventually pertain to roads only. So I will not be deviating from the principal question. So we have the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, PWD, who lives in Nong Thamai constituency. We have the Deputy Chief Minister, Master Balang, who also lives in Nong Thamai constituency, has a house there. We have the Honorable Minister of Veterinary Department, Mr. Heck. He also lives in my constituency, and I presume he's my voter too. And even the Honorable Minister, Ma Koming, has a beautiful house in Nong Thamai, in my constituency. Then former present minister, who was then the former MLA of William Nagar, Mr. Marquis, Honorable Minister Marquis was Nong Thamai constituency. So half the cabinet lives there. And the road of Nong Thamai constituency as a whole is in a very dilapidated state, except from the Honorable Deputy Minister's house to my house. No potholes. And also the Honorable Member from a former Honorable Speaker from Mairang, also he has some houses in Nong Thamai constituency. The list goes on, sir. Barakam, Honorable Member, also he stays. What's his name? Marthon stays in my constituency. The list is very long, sir. Who else? Let me see. Sir, yesterday in the supplementary demands for grants, a huge amount was passed for the Honorable Ministers. May I know from the Honorable Minister if he will earmark 5 crores from the supplementary grants passed yesterday for the reconstruction of roads in Nong Thamai areas. Thank you.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to thank the Honourable Member from Nong Thamai, Senior Leader Charles Pingrup, who has already named one by one the honourable members of this August House. Maybe in the next year, we will get all the 60 MLAs sitting within the jurisdiction of his constituency. So, sir, yes, in fact, the intention of the government, the department, sir, as far as Shillong city is concerned, we really wanted to make sure that the all-weather route is in good condition. And in fact, I've already instructed the engineers to go for the detailed estimate as far as recarpeting, improvement of the road in Shillong city, and the estimate is being prepared, and I'm very sure once the estimate is put up, we will take it up and we will get necessary sanction, and also not only that, we will implement and we will do the repairing works accordingly, sir.
Yes, Baron Nickton, please.